Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a very quick little hair review video. So I'm reviewing this little bob I have right now. It's from Xtrend on Amazon. It was about $59, $60, but that's because it is a frontal, you guys. It is a frontal. So yeah, I've worn like a side part with it already and curled it. I had it curled, like if you watch my other entrepreneur vlog to like I was talking about vendors and stuff, then that's the same bob. But I'm really happy I finally have a bob wig, because like I always get like this impulse to cut my long hair. Like I fold it under like, I wonder how it would look if it was a bob. And I always do stuff like that, so I'm happy I can finally just take that wig off, put on a bob now instead of ruining perfectly good long hair. So that is a plus. Happy to finally have a bob. But anyway, you guys, this hair I got on with Amazon Prime, so it came in like 2 days, you guys. So that is great. That's one great thing I like about ordering on Amazon. And plus, they deliver on Sundays now. Sometimes you can even get it for 1 day. But anyway, it's really not much you can say about a bob. You need to know, does it move? Yes, it moves, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, it moves. And what I really like is this here parting space. Like, I love a nice long part. Like, that's what I really like. So this hair was 14 inches. It was a little longer than this, but I cut it just a little. Like, I kind of want to see how it looked like if it was right here, like chin, to how long my chin is. Really, but my face is so long, you guys. Like, I feel like I would not look right with like one of those really cute little cuts like that. So like, this is how I usually do my hair. I fold it under to see, how would it look? I really want to try that though. I think I may end up cutting this hair a little more just to see, because I like this, but I want it a little shorter. Like, I always love those cute little blunt cut bobs right there, but I don't know how it'll look on me. But anyway, you guys, back to this hair. Like I said, it was 14 inches. Got it on Amazon Prime. What I want to do, I want to try their other hair. That's how you really know, is this brand good? Let's try their other hair, because short hair is usually going to be pretty good. But I want to try their other hair, because if their parting space is like this, like I love how far back it is. Like the part is like literally in the middle of my cranium, I don't know, my skull, my head. But anyway, you guys, I wanted a nice little businesswoman cut, because you know I've been doing all those entrepreneur vlogs to look like I know what I'm talking about or something. So that's why I was like, oh, okay, a bob, okay, I feel you. But anyway, you guys, that is about it. I told y'all this is gonna be a quick video, you guys. A quick video. So the other hair I had previously that I did a review on, I didn't cut it because I didn't like it or anything yet. I just switched wigs. So I may go back to that hair. I'm not sure, but we will see. We will see. We will see. But anyway, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It's not much you can say. It's a bob. A bob is a bob, right? I really do want to cut it though. I feel like just like at least that much to where it doesn't like flip like that anymore. Like, I like that flip. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. You may see me and I look a little different on my next vlog. That's because I cut this hair. But anyway, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys. Oh, I'll put the link in the description box. Bye, guys.